Have you been noticing the number 0 appearing in your life lately? Whether it's on your phone, license plates, or even in random places, seeing 0 is a powerful message from the universe. Unlike other angel numbers, 0 symbolizes the infinite potential of new beginnings and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. In this video, we will explore the profound meaning of angel number 0 and how it can guide you towards a deeper spiritual connection, complete alignment with your true self, and the limitless opportunities that await you. Let's dive into the mystery of 0 and discover how it can transform your life. Angel number 0 is a unique and powerful symbol that represents wholeness, unity, and infinite potential. In numerology, the number 0 is associated with the concept of eternity, the cycles of life, and the boundless nature of the universe. When you see the number 0 repeated 3 times as 0, its significance is magnified, emphasizing the endless opportunities and the power of divine connection that surrounds you. This angel number serves as a reminder that you are at the center of infinite possibilities and that you have the power to shape your reality in any way you choose. One of the key messages of 0 is that you are in perfect alignment with the universe. This number indicates that you are exactly where you need to be, and that everything in your life is unfolding according to a divine plan. Seeing 0 is a sign that you are connected to the infinite wisdom of the universe, and that your angels are guiding you towards your highest potential. It's a reminder that you are never alone on your journey. Your spiritual team is always with you, providing support, guidance, and encouragement as you navigate through life. Another important aspect of 0 is its association with new beginnings and fresh starts. This number signifies a reset, a chance to wipe the slate clean and start anew. Whether you are looking to make a change in your career, relationships, or personal habits, 0 is a powerful indicator that now is the perfect time to take action. It's a call to embrace the unknown, to let go of past limitations, and to trust that the universe is working in your favor. The presence of 0 is a reminder that you have the ability to create your own destiny, and that every moment is an opportunity to begin again. In terms of love and relationships, 0 encourages you to nurture your connections with others and to approach your relationships with an open heart. If you're in a relationship, this number suggests that you are entering a period of renewal and deepening intimacy. It's a time to focus on communication, understanding, and unconditional love. For singles, 0 is a sign that new romantic opportunities are on the horizon. It's a reminder to stay open to meeting new people and to trust that the universe will bring the right person into your life at the perfect time. If you're experiencing challenges in your relationships, seeing 0 is a prompt to reflect on the dynamics at play and to consider how you can bring more harmony and balance into your connections. This number encourages you to release any past hurts, forgive where needed, and move forward with a sense of peace and compassion. Whether it's with a partner, a family member, or a friend, 0 is a call to focus on unity and to strengthen the bonds that matter most to you. In the realm of health, 0 signifies the importance of holistic well-being and the interconnectedness of body, mind, and spirit. This number encourages you to look at your health from a whole perspective, considering not just the physical aspects, but also your emotional, mental, and spiritual wellness. If you've been neglecting self-care, 0 is a reminder to take time for yourself, to listen to your body's needs, and to make choices that support your overall health. Whether it's starting a new exercise routine, eating more mindfully, or practicing meditation. This number is a prompt to prioritize your well-being and to cultivate a sense of balance in all areas of your life. Financially, seeing 0 is a sign that abundance is available to you and that you are supported in your efforts to achieve financial stability and success. This number suggests that you are in a phase where new opportunities for wealth and prosperity are within reach. It's a call to remain open to new possibilities, to trust in your ability to manifest your desires, and to take proactive steps towards your financial goals. 0 is a reminder that you are in control of your financial destiny, and that by aligning your actions with your intentions, you can create the abundance you seek. In your career, 0 is a powerful indicator that you are on the brink of a major breakthrough. If you've been feeling unfulfilled or stuck in your current job, this number is a sign that it's time to explore new avenues that align more closely with your passions and purpose. Whether it's pursuing a new job, starting your own business, or taking a leap of faith into a completely different field, 0 encourages you to follow your heart and to trust that the universe is guiding you towards success. It's a reminder that you are capable of achieving great things, and that the only limits are those you place on yourself. Spiritually, 0 is a profound sign of your connection to the divine and the infinite potential that lies within you. This number serves as a reminder that you are a spiritual being having a human experience, and that you are deeply connected to the source of all creation. Seeing 0 is a prompt to deepen your spiritual practices, to explore your inner world, and to trust in the guidance of your higher self. Whether it's through meditation, prayer, or simply spending time in nature, this number encourages you to nurture your spiritual connection and to embrace the divine wisdom that is always available to you. The biblical significance of 0 emphasizes its themes of God's infinite nature, the unity of creation, and the eternal cycle of life. In Christian symbolism, the number 0 is often associated with God's completeness and the boundless potential that exists within the universe. Seeing 0 is a reminder of the divine presence in your life and the limitless possibilities that come from being in alignment with God's will. It's a sign that you are on a divinely guided path, and that every step you take is supported by a higher power. In Vedic numerology, the number 0 is linked to the concept of shunya, which represents the void, the infinite, and the ultimate reality. This association underscores the need to embrace the unknown, to trust in the cyclical nature of life, and to recognize the interconnectedness of all things. When seen as 0, these qualities become even more pronounced, guiding you to release fear, to embrace change, and to step confidently into the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Ultimately, the message of 0 is one of wholeness, divine connection, and infinite potential. It's a call to embrace the present moment, to trust in the flow of life, and to know that you are always supported by the universe. Whether it's in your relationships, career, health, or spiritual journey, this number encourages you to stay open, to be adaptable, and to believe in the limitless potential that exists within you. Your angels are with you, guiding you towards a life of fulfillment, purpose, and infinite joy. Have you been seeing the number 0 frequently? How has it influenced your journey? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. And if you enjoyed this exploration of angel numbers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the spiritual messages that guide us. Embrace the infinite potential of 0 Trust in your divine connection and let the universe lead you to your highest purpose.